do I have a problem with that?
I don't know.
Just doing a little light reading. And it says right here, shit happens. Oh, the table! The table! The table came undone! Shit! God damn it! It's just I can't tell. We've been going uphill and bouncing. Oh, shit's falling down from the top. The pantry opened, shit smashed on the floor, all glass. My table came undone. It broke off.
The table did?
Yes, the leg. Oh, shit. I don't know what to do about the table. There's smashed glass, baby. I don't know what to do about it. I don't like to break. Oh my God. So we saw this street. And discovered that we can't make that up the steep hill. So we've pulled over and we're going to disconnect the Jeep to make it up this steep incline. On the canal that would carry water, it was an aqueduct, over the Delaware River from the Lackawaxen River, and this is where mules would pull. It was called a tow path, and they would tow the canal down
The canal boat.
waterway, which was only 6 feet deep, all the way across the Delaware River, and it was supposed to be a much speedier trip than using the railway or anything else. And so I guess it opened up this whole area. Here we are in Hawley, Pennsylvania, getting our Pennsylvania sticker. It's like official.
You got
There it is, all right.
Nice.
Pennsylvania's
All right.
official.
And we're
Thank you,
right-
Betty and
we're right-
Rod, for a
we're right up
fabulous
there.
stay.
in Pennsylvania. What's the next people going to do? They're in Pennsylvania too. They can come and point to it.
You were the official Pennsylvania people.
The first.
All right.
All right.
All right. What you doing?
That's how I feel about it. Calling Walmart because our harvest host crapped out and said he got flooded. That's why he never responded to our pending post for tonight.
You hung up? Got hung up?
No, got hung up on it. Here we are. Look at the view. Beautiful. Say hello.
Hello.
Look at that nice Walmart truck right there. And all those Walmart trucks back there. We've spent our first night in our in our camper at a Walmart in Taylor, Pennsylvania. And a nice Walmart it was too. Very lucky for us because we were supposed to stay at a kayak place and they were rained out. So we didn't have any place to stay and we were scrambling. We thought maybe we could stay at the coal mine that we were just touring, but alas,
We were
No.
gonna try and stealth camp there, but
Try to stealth camp, but no.
we got busted.
Yeah. So better to have permission, I suppose, than to get kicked out at 3 a.m., which is what we were probably going to have happen. And we needed to be level for our refrigerator. So this Walmart parking lot is nice and level. It was very quiet last night. No problems at all. Nice lighting to keep us safe. Cool breeze for the most part, except for my ever-present personal climate change. Other than that, very comfortable night. What didn't you say?
Yeah, I thought it was all right.
So this is just winging it. First Walmart camping night. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below so that you can be notified of our upcoming videos. And if you have any ideas or questions about our life on the road or any ideas for future videos, please drop them below as well. We love to get feedback.